In this video, I'm going to show how you can fix this error on your Wyze Cam, the network encryption type not supported. As you can see here, I have my Wyze Cam connected to my network and it's connecting to my Wi-Fi router. But you need to make sure that you're using the encryption correctly, okay? So back here to the screen, as you can see, I have an article that explains that when you come to your router, the camera is trying to connect to the router and trying to use this encryption protocol, WEP or WEP. That's not the correct one, okay? You need to connect your camera to a different encryption protocol. In this case, WPA, for example, if you select this mode is going to work. And also you need to make sure that you're using 2.4 gigahertz to connect your camera. It doesn't work with 5 gigahertz. As an example, I have here my router. It's a new one. And here on wireless, I have the option for 2.4 gigahertz. That's the band that the camera uses. And here I have 5 gigahertz. I have enabled here, so I can connect my devices to 5 or 2.4. In this case, I have both enabled and the camera can connect to the 2.4 one. And here I don't even have the option for WEP or the WEP encryption protocol, okay? So I have here WPA. That's a much stronger protocol, much stronger encryption. So make sure you're using this one, and then you're gonna fix the error with encryption here, okay? So that's the message you see on the screen. Network encryption type not supported. Just go there, change it, and you can fix the error, okay? So pretty simple, okay? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.